Hi, and welcome to another Advent Calendar video.
And in this Advent Calendar video, we're going to be opening it up and seeing what's inside. And it's like a countdown to the baby being born.
I think it'd be a good baby shower idea.
So let's go ahead and open it up. Alright, first we got Snuzza Hero Baby Bambino thing, and it's a portable baby movement monitor movement baby.
Snuzza Hero. We met these people at TTPM. It connects to the baby's diaper right at the top here, and it monitors their movement while they're sleeping. And if there's like no movement at all, it'll vibrate a little bit to stimulate the baby. It'll also alert you. So it's like one of those SIDS type monitor things to prevent a SIDS death.
Yes.
It's good for those parents that are always worried. Is my baby breathing?
Yes, I am a paranoid parent, so I love stuff like this. And this was a gift from the brand. So thank you, Snuzza, for sending this to us. I really appreciate it, and I will use it every day.
Alright, Emma, go ahead and go on to number 2 there.
Here I go. This is a stick rattle with beads from
The Hungry Caterpillar.
The Hungry Caterpillar. The word of Eric Carl.
Thanks, Eric Carl. So now we're going to open up number 3.
It's my turn!
I thought you didn't want to stand.
Yeah.
It's my turn!
Micah's very interested in this one.
Oh, you want to help me? Come here. Come and help. Come here. For the baby. Oh, you think the baby's going to like it? Do you like
totally
it?
thinks it's gonna...
He's the baby.
Oh, this is for the baby in mommy's tummy. This is from Precious Moments. It's a little giraffe blanket slash
thing.
plush. Micah may have claimed his brother's gift.
We'll give it to his brother.
So that was pretty dang epic. So let's go ahead and move on to number 4.
Thank you, Precious Moments.
Oh, number 4 has this thing.
That's a bell.
And a bell.
What does it say?
The bell says, "Dear Kitty's Mama, congratulations on the new baby to come."
Oh my goodness!
Whoa.
It's just appeared right here.
Wow.
Wow, that bell
What
is so
magic.
magical. So this bath support comes from Psyche. Thank you, Psyche, for sending us this baby bath support.
Apparently it's Micah's now. He just said my
This
bad.
I'm assuming goes in the sink or in the bath so that you can wash your baby safely. It has 2 suction cups on the back. It is not your bath, you're too big.
I think he said it's his.
You place your baby, your little baby right here, and then you wash the baby. So thank you, Psyche, for this product. We will definitely use it.
I'm probably gonna try. Check it out. It's jammies.
Jammies.
And Daddy bought these at Walmart.
Yay, Walmart.
We buy preemie because our babies are always small. Although I'm not sure about this one.
Big bath.
This one looks a little big.
Big bath, Micah says.
So we might be returning these for a larger size. I don't know.
This one might be fat.
It's
He
a
might-
chubber.
I'm going to show you guys the sonogram photos in the next baby bump video, which should be on Monday.
Should be.
And
I'm pretty sure it's not human.
And you'll see the baby looks
Fat.
Looks like an alien.
he looks a bit big. All right, so next one. Ooh, creamy sized diapers from
Whoa.
Pampers.
They are
That's
cute,
so
how
cool.
tiny they are.
Yes, we got these at Walmart as well.
Number 7. Number 7, we got a bell again.
Whoa! Look, it's a diaper bag. Oh, I'm so excited. This is by Ryko.
Can I save her the feelies?
And they sent me this diaper bag. It's the Monique nursery bag. I believe you can get this at Bye Bye Baby. I'm pretty sure I saw it there. It's got magnetic like clasps
That's
there.
kind of cool.
It's got a lot of pockets. Oh, this is for like dirty diapers. It has a bottle cooler thing here, which we used to have one on my other diaper bag. We lost it. I don't
Rest
know
in
where it
peace.
ended up. But these are always very handy.
Tiny
And
thing.
then this is always comes in handy. Look,
How?
it's a fold-out diaper changing area.
Wow.
is really nice. So thank you very much to Ryko for sending me a new diaper bag. I really
Sure
appreciate
thing.
it.
What is in that one?
Looks like socks.
Whoa, socks.
No, wait, mittens.
They're
Wow,
mittens.
mittens. Did you use that at Walmart too?
Yeah, there's another side.
Because their fingernails, they scratch them themselves.
Micah, you want to open up the owl for me?
This one.
What's in it? What's in here? What did you find? Oh,
Whoa, that's so. Oh wait.
it's diaper rash cream.
So cool.
What's it called?
It's called
Baby.
Baby Butts Cream. It heals most diaper rashes in 6 hours or less, which is great. So thank you, Baby Butts, for sending me this cool new diaper rash cream.
All right, number 10. Number 10, we got
Pacifier blankie.
pacifier blankie.
This is from the world of Eric Carl.
Again.
Yes, thank
Thanks,
you. They
Eric.
sent us quite a bit of things. It was really nice. So thank you.
Emma, go ahead. Number 11.
Yeah.
Oh, Micah, come here.
This is a bamboo cup with flip top.
Ooh, Micah might.
Nice.
Micah might claim this one. Cool.
Top
Thank
rack.
you.
Woo!
World of Eric Carl.
Oh, he's alive.
There.
Looks like it.
Do you think?
Are you gonna
Eric
claim that
Carl?
as yours? I think Micah has claimed the cup. It's
Not
gonna
gonna
be a
quench
while
your
before
thirst
the baby
yet.
can use the cup anymore.
You want to open it or do you want to let Micah do it?
I'll get it. Oh wow. Oh yes.
Never seen this one before.
Wow.
Awesome.
What is that?
It's a baby sling, and I love baby slings. So thank you very much for Baba slings. This sling can be configured in several different configurations to hold the baby. It looks like. Look.
This one's not like a scarf. It's a little different.
It is a little different.
We're gonna have to figure it out. It's like a pouch one.
So it's a pouch for your baby. So let's go
Very
ahead and
cool.
move
Thank
along.
you.
Now that she's done that. Number 13. Number 13's got a bell in it.
Whoa! What is
Here
it?
it is.
It's a giraffe.
No, my first
It's a zebra. Oh my gosh.
My first zebra friend.
First zebra.
I love
Micah,
it.
look at the zebra.
Look, it's so cool for the
Whoa.
baby.
Shake it.
This is from Dulcie.
Do it.
This is their activity zebra. Lots of
Whoa! Check this out.
textures and
It's got a
sounds
mirror on it.
and colors. Thank you, Dulcie, for sending us this really cute giraffe.
It does have a lot of texture.
The baby
Giraffe.
is really
You just
gonna
called
love
it a
that.
giraffe.
Micah, do you want to open up this one?
Micah, do you want this?
What's in it, Micah?
We need the bear though.
What is it, Micah? This is again from the world of Carl. Thank you.
I like Carlisle.
Carly.
They're these crinkle pages, which everybody loves.
Wait.
A 300 caterpillar.
Micah, look, elephants.
Yeah. One is the caterpillar, 2 elephants,
Micah, blue
3
elephant.
ladybugs, 4
Whoa.
bears, and 5 fish.
Chicken.
Micah's in his number 15. as
All right,
we
Micah,
speak.
what's in it, Micah? What is it? Pull it out. What is it?
Woo!
Yeah,
Is that a moose?
Oh,
Reindeer?
cute.
This is a.
This is another toy from
Is
Dulcie.
it a reindeer?
This is yes, Dulcie. It comes with a teether ring.
Yeah, take that.
There's a teether ring right here.
Reindeer.
Again, it's got a pouch.
Is that a pig?
Look, Micah put this
Where-
in the back.
It's a reindeer with a pouch.
It's
so-
a reindeer?
Yeah,
It
it's
might
got,
be a
it's
moose.
got the red nose.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
It's Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer.
I mean, it
I don't
doesn't,
know.
it doesn't have any hooves.
Wait, hold on, Amy, I'll inspect.
But anyway, it's good for teething. It's very cute. Thank you, Dulcie, for sending us this really cute teether ring.
Alright, now we got number 16. And it fell out the back. It is a snow globe. This snow globe is from Precious Moments.
Thank you, Precious Moments. They sent us really cute stuff.
Alright, so it is a snow globe with a whale in it that says, mightier than the waves in his love for you.
Which is a Bible verse.
I assume so.
Ooh, I love it. It's so pretty.
Micah,
Thank
do you wanna open
you,
this
Precious Moments. I
You
love
wanna
it.
open up this one? The sun?
So cute.
Not gonna get it.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Sorry, Micah.
Ooh, another Precious Moments thing.
Another whale.
Oh my
so
goodness.
It's a whale.
Look how cute that is. This
Remember when
is
Micah
so
had to have
cute.
that-
Micah, look.
Did Micah
lights
have to
up.
have a turtle to sleep?
It's he thinks it's orange.
Okay.
It is.
Alright, now we're gonna open up number 18.
Micah thinks it's apples. Those are balloons.
No, wait. Isn't it Mommy's turn?
Yeah, Micah.
Micah's
Okay,
turn.
Micah's
Micah's
turn.
Got
Wow!
another Eric Carl gift.
This one is a teeter time. Wait, Micah.
And it has the little caterpillar.
Hungry.
Little crinkle butt. Very cute.
So now we're gonna open up number 19.
Micah, I
Go
can't
ahead,
see. I see Micah's head.
What's that, Micah?
Milestone blocks. Another Eric Carl thing. And
Okay, so this you
Not
take a
exactly sure.
photo with your baby every month. So like you can have 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 4 months. So I bought something similar for Micah, and I failed.
We got the first month.
And we're
done.
gonna fail this
I
time
did the
too.
first one. But I'm gonna try very hard this time. Anyway, thank you, the world of Eric Carl.
alright, number
Yeah,
20. Let's see what's inside.
Whoa! It's a bell!
Whoa!
What?
What is this?
A 5-piece bamboo feeding set.
So what you do with this is you
Biodegradable, eco-friendly, dishwasher safe, and made from bamboo fiber.
And I believe Micah is claiming it as his right now.
you put food on it and then your baby can feed.
Cup and the bowl and silverware and a little plate. Wow, thank you, the world of Eric Carl.
Eric did it again.
They really went all out.
He
Thank you,
did.
Eric.
Thank you very much, Eric Carl.
Yes, thank you, Eric Carl, and thank you all the other brands that sent us stuff. Precious Moments and
Dulce.
Dulce and Ryko, Psyche,
And Baba Sling.
and Baba Sling. Lots of cool things. Be looking forward to the baby bump update on Monday. Hopefully, hopefully we get that filmed and edited and uploaded. I'm also going to do a packing for the hospital, like a hospital bag type video. You guys liked that last time, so we're gonna do it again. Thank you for watching today's baby shower advent calendar video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to subscribe. Click these rectangles to watch more videos.
And click that circle to subscribe.
Bye!